Welcome back for yet another episode from my Tesla Robotaxi video series. And this ride here, episode 18, we are going to be navigating from the Palmer Event Center all the way over to Oracle's headquarters. And we're getting pretty late in the day here. This is our second to last ride that we did that day. And it's not a very long one, but we do come across quite a bit of pedestrians and whatnot. So I still think it's worthwhile to show you guys again as the sun sets how Robotaxi performs. So as I've mentioned in previous videos that we've covered in this area, this driveway is not very well marked. However, Robotaxi does a good job of getting to the right of this median and then getting up to this stop sign here where we will pause until we get back on the road here. This is an unprotected right turn. The people coming from our left do not have to stop, and there's a lot of pedestrians coming and going since we're close to the river here. But Robotaxi handles it in stride and then immediately makes a lane change to the left lane here. Unfortunately, my GoPro struggles continue, and the camera did freeze midway through the ride. However, I caught it pretty quickly, so we did not miss a ton here. Maybe a few right turns and whatnot, but the car did not hesitate or require any interventions during that period of time, so you didn't really miss anything. So back to the action. So one thing you'll notice on our way towards the Oracle headquarters is that there are a lot of these crosswalks with these medians in them, and the fit is actually relatively tight, but Robotaxi really has no problems with it, but just wanted to kind of call that out. And then at this particular crosswalk, you'll see a pedestrian here recognize that there's nobody driving our vehicle, at which point he immediately takes his phone out and starts recording. So um, we've seen a lot of positive reactions throughout my drives of people recognizing nobody in the driver's seat and always getting a smile on their face as a result. So you love to see it. It's good that people are excited about the future. We need more of that. And we're getting even closer here to the Oracle headquarters, and we have some additional pedestrians crossing here. One thing, again, I want to highlight is how well Robotaxi detects the pedestrians ahead of time and comfortably slows. It is not only better for people on board from a comfort perspective, but it also shows the pedestrians the car sees them, will stop for them and yield to them, which is all great behavior. So we are almost there. We just have to make this right turn, and then now we are in the driveway and headed up to the front entrance of Oracle HQ. The car does a great job of picking the proper drop-off location, which is the front door. Um, and if I worked here, would be my mode of transportation. You can't get much better than this, especially from a comfort perspective and whatnot. So again, another uneventful ride for Robotaxi. It did great. Again, no hesitations and no interventions throughout this drive. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.